Hi there, my name is Andrew Schneider with Systems Environmental Products. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace a power rocker switch on your TIDAL Backpack Sprayer. Let's get into it.
Without a battery installed and using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 7 screws that hold the cushion and the 6 screws that hold the back cover plate to the tank. You may require a flashlight for the deeper recessed screws. Set the cover plate to the side, exposing the pump, electrical, and plumbing. Using a flathead screwdriver, press the tabs on the power rocker switch to separate the switch from the back cover plate. After taking a picture of the order of electrical wires in the power rocker switch, use a pair of needle nose pliers to remove the red wire from the battery slot terminals. Next, remove the spade fittings from the switch terminals. Using a pair of pliers, install the wires back onto the switch terminals. The order of the wires is black, red, green. Take the replacement power rocker switch and feed it from the outside of the plastic so the terminals are on the inside of the back cover plate. Be sure to listen for a click which signified that the switch is locked into place. To confirm that the installation was done correctly, test the sprayer using a charged battery and by turning the power rocker switch on to either setting. Now that the sprayer is working, you can install the back cover plate and the cushion. Make sure to tuck any loose wires and hose into the cavity of the back plate.
And with that, we have successfully replaced the power rocker switch on your TIDAL Backpack Sprayer. For more information, visit us at www.systemsenvironmental.com or give us a call at 1-800-367-4015.